Before we start the demo, let's look at how these integration workflows are defined. First, the designer is a tool provided by WASP. In this designer, there's a graphical user interface to define the activities of the workflow. This is the workflow that will be used by the sender of an electronic invoice. As you can see, there's a box for them to select the sender that will be using the workflow, and after there is a sequence of activities that happen. We can see, for example, that after the sender has been selected, you confirm that which message can be sent. You can see that the workflow is fairly complex because there's many cases. For example, if the identity of the sender hasn't been checked, or if the message that was selected is invalid. After the user selects which message to send, it goes into the sending of the process of the invoice, and then we can see that there are status received from the receiver. So once the message is received, we get an acknowledgement that it has been received, and then we can see if the receiver has approved the message, we have a status which tells us that the message has been approved. And then at the end, we can see that if the user has paid the invoice, the status that is returned to me will tell me that the process has been received. So this workflow, again, captures the protocol of communication between the buyer and the seller, and will manage all the different actions related to the status of the invoice. And of course, if the regulations change, then the workflow can be updated to reflect these new regulations.